Hello, quite a different flavour to the weather this week. Fast flowing as opposed to last week, which was pretty much stuck in the mud. I know, of course, in some places the weather has been a bit rubbish for the school holiday makers. Some better weather too to come as you run your way through the next couple of days, mixed in with all the other stuff too. The leftovers of our watch, parts of Coromandel and the Bay of Plenty, that'll be easing through over the course of the night as the main front, the main band of cloud there, eases away. Remember, behind it we had some showers. This centre of swirl here, the centre of the engine room, a lot of unstable air, and all of that tends to drift across the country. We get into a westerly flow and that'll be bringing in showers, but still with the instability we'll be seeing some thunderstorms too. First front continues to churn through. Notice a couple of troughs, one there and one here. That moves into the northwest of the South Island through the night time into tomorrow, and then with the heat of the day a few more showers. A quiet looking day early Tuesday, and that thing there is late Tuesday into Wednesday, another fast moving trough. Here's the North Island. So we start off with some showers to some western areas. They get going, heat of the day, converging winds, and boom, like a gas flame, they really bubble up with some storms here and there. A few eastern areas not seeing them until probably later on in the day. To the South Island, remember that cluster of moisture to the north and the west. Showers to western areas tending to die away, and then with the heat of the day and converging winds inland especially, we see some showers and maybe some thunder. Not as much, though, towards coastal areas. Here's how it looks then tomorrow. Some cloud around the coast. Inland, you could see one or two showers for the afternoon. Queenstown, Alexandra. Whereas onto the west coast, starting off with a few of those showers, those will tend to ease away. Remember that cluster of moisture into the north and the west, so improving as your day wears on. To the east coast, there will be some early cloud in a few places. Heat of the day bubbles up those showers, but not all places seeing them. It's more likely inland. Could see one or two of those showers, and temperatures reasonably mild. To the east coast of the North Island, we're looking at some early cloud in places, brighten up the skies. Remember a few of those showers. They could sneak in off the ranges by the afternoon, and mild, easily up to around 20 in a few spots too. From the lower North Island towards Taranaki, there'll be one or two showers. Get going with the heat of the day. A few more pop up here and there, but not rain all the time. It's more hit and miss type showers. Moving up to the central plateau towards the Bay of Plenty, a similar sort of thing. You'll see otherwise fine to start with, just that odd shower, and then with the heat of the day and that westerly wind kicking in, you will see some of those showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in a couple of spots too. And then working north to Coromandel up to parts of Northland, you will see OK to start with, just one or two showers dotted around, and then as you work into the afternoon, we will bring in a few more of those showers as well. Let's move down south to Dunedin, where the day starts off OK, just some of that morning cloud, bright in the skies, you're otherwise dry, but inland there could be some showers. Maybe you're heading off for the day with the kids or something, just bear those in mind. For Christchurch, looking pretty good, bar just some early cloud. Those showers off in the distance, they're some of the ones that'll pop up inland through the afternoon, maybe even some thunder there, but in town we are dry. Wellington seeing perhaps just that risk for the odd shower, but most of these should tend to die away as you go into the late afternoon and evening. And they're not all day, they're just hit and miss. Hamilton, similar sort of thing. Get into the afternoon, you will see some showers here and there, maybe a rumble of thunder at 18, and a pretty similar thing for Tauranga. A dry-looking start, odd shower into the afternoon. You will see a few more of those come in with that westerly. Auckland has the similar sort of thing. One or two showers, some dry weather in the middle of the day, and then a few more pop up as you go into the late afternoon. Let's run our way through the next couple of days looking at the week. So Tuesday, as I say, is a drier day, a brief ridge day until the late evening into the night. That's another more active trough, strengthening the northerly, and some good westerlies really wrap in behind. These are the wind arrows. You can see the little flow there. That thing pushes through. Strong gusty winds, westerlies. Watch for those in some places. Going into Wednesday, Thursday, another trough. You need a scorecard this week to keep an eye on the different troughs, and you think, that's Thursday. Another more pronounced low brings in a spell of rain across a good part of the country. And then Friday, we push this thing through, and a hint. The weekend, maybe something drying out for the weekend, but we'll see for the time being, several days away. Here's Australia, showery to the southeast, better towards central areas. And to the Pacific Islands, most are in good shape. You just see one or two showers, perhaps towards the Cooks, but in fine-looking shape. So it's a mixed week, Greg. There is some rain, there's some fine weather for the school kids, but it's fast-moving, just like spring.
I'd give that a C+, actually, weather-wise, Dan. Thank you very much for that. Well, tonight's good sword is Diane France.
Hayden Jones, One News.
And that's the News Hour for Sunday. Remember, you can keep right up to date with any developments on our stories tonight on our website, onenewsnow.co.nz. From the 6 o'clock news team, thank you for watching. Good night.